Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Today we're doing another collaboration with the lovely L&L Skin. So if you've been all over the internet, which we all are at the moment, if we're not scrolling on our phones, then you would know the most popular thing at the minute, and has been for quite a while, is the LED mask. So L&L Skin reached out and asked me to review one of their items. I couldn't wait to get an LED mask. I was actually looking for one anyway, and it was just so happened that they contacted me at the same time, which was perfect because that was just something that I was looking for. I'd had one previously, but it didn't really meet my expectations, so I'm really looking forward to this one. So we're going to do a quick unboxing and first impressions. So yeah, this arrived a few days ago. It comes in this lovely box here, and yeah, so let's just give it a little open. I've got nothing on my face at the minute because we're going to be wearing the mask. So first impressions, packaging, really good. Comes with this nice little bit of card here that just tells you a little bit about L&L Skin, saying about appreciating the support, etc. And obviously all their social handles are on there as well. I will leave them linked down below. So the box is actually sealed, so I'm just going to get this open and I'll be back with you in a second. So let's just have a look what's in the box. So you actually get the mask itself. Like I said, it is one of the flexible masks, so it's obviously going to be a lot more comfortable. So it is like that. It has 300 LED lights. I'll give some specifics on the screen. So it has 3 lots of light. So you've got your red, your blue, your yellow and your purple light. I'll pop it on the screen here, watch each of them does, so that you've got a bit of an overview as well. It obviously has the straps and everything as well, so it's got the cord here. Now what I really like about it as well is it's got a it's obviously got your little charging cable, but it's also got a remote control, so you can actually change it while it's in your hand, if you know what I mean. So it does come with a little remote control as well that you do plug in here. And then obviously it comes with the straps as well, so that you can fasten that around your head. So I'm going to just attach everything and then show you the different lights plugged in. Right, so I've attached all the straps and everything, and I've attached the controller. So basically with the controller you hold the button down, and then you've got the red, and then press the button again at the top there. You've got the blue, you've got the yellow, and you've got the sort of pink purple colours. It has got a manual and an auto mode as well. So the auto mode basically runs through the cycles, so it does each one for a certain amount of time. I'm more interested in red light therapy because I think it helps with fine lines and wrinkles, so I'm going to use it on manual mode. And to be honest, because I've not been using red light therapy at the moment, I think the maximum time, it sort of gives you an idea in the book, but to do it sort of 2 to 3 times a week to start off with a minimum of 10 minutes and sort of build it up, I think the maximum time is 15 minutes as well. So each of the lights are actually measured in nanometers. The red light is 630, the blue light is 460, yellow light is 590. So the last light is the purple light, which is like a mixed light. So it doesn't actually tell you what the nanometers are for that, but it's actually a mixed light, so it gives you a mix of all of the 3 colours. So right now we're going to try the mask out. I'm going to pop it on, and we're going to see what that looks like, and I'm going to leave it on for about 10 minutes, and then we'll come back and give you some more reviews of what I think. So I'll just put the mask on now. So it goes across the top. I'm going to try and just miss my hair there. It's got Velcro all the way across so that you can tighten it how much you want. And then obviously the back part here, again, I'm trying to avoid my hair. So it's already attached here. It's comfy around the eyes. And then we've obviously got the remote here as well. So it's nice to just be able to just control everything here. So I'm going to go with red, and yes, we're going to go and sort of sit for a nice sort of 10 minutes, and I'll be back to you then. So my 10 minutes is up now. I'm going to take off the mask. I've got to say, it is really comfortable. just so that you know, there's like quite a big area here for your ears to go, and the nose bit is comfortable, and obviously because it's got the cushioning for the eyes as well, it's really, really comfortable. I actually just did a little bit of light housework. It's absolutely lovely. If you look at the front of the mask as well, I don't know whether you can see, but it's got some sort of like gold detail as well. If you can see that, that is lovely. It is super, super comfortable. Really, really love it. So I'm going to keep it in its box because I think that's the best place to keep it. You have to obviously be careful with it and store it flat because it's got a lot of sort of wiring inside. So guys, I do have a promo code for you today with 30% off. So I'll leave the link below if you're interested in buying. The promo code I'll leave on the screen, but it is JALS. So if you're interested in 30% off, that is the code that you must use with the link below. I'll leave all the other sort of links as well to do with their socials and stuff linked below as well. A little bit of bump about the actual sort of technical side to the mask and everything, with in terms of the nanometers and all the technical bits as well. I'll do a little bit of a brief description at the side as well. So yeah, if you want to go check them out, they are brilliant. I really, really love the mask. I'm going to be sort of following up, using it 3 times a week, sort of building it up, and I will maybe come back and do another sort of video at some point just to give you an update. I have a little bit of pigmentation here. Yes, so I'm hoping with extra use and everything here, the red light should actually help reduce that because it obviously promotes collagen growth. It helps with skin texture, and should sort of minimize any sort of wrinkles that you've got going there as well. So I'm hoping that that sort of minimizes. So keep an eye on any more follow-ups. So yeah, that's everything for the video. If you've got any questions or anything, leave comments below and I'll be happy to answer them. And yeah, that's everything for the video, and I will see you all in the next one. See you later, guys. Bye.